Man, you're buying the paint job, the car is free. This paint is absolutely gorgeous. You'll really appreciate it once we start spinning it around and the light hits it in different angles. It's a 1966 Ford Mustang convertible, got the modern billet wheels, 1,000 miles on a restoration, 289 automatic, power steering, power top, disc brakes in front. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars that are all for sale, and each one has a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the paint is killer. That's why I bought it. There was like no question about it. Stunning, beautiful, metallic, like candy red paint. And they cleaned it up a little bit. They left the Ford emblems off the front, which I'm just noticing now. All this is clean and straight, looking really good. The lines are nice, smooth all the way to the bottom. The doors are real nicely aligned. Shuts like a new car, all square and flush. Quarter panels are beautiful all the way down to the bottom, all smooth, all fitting very nicely. Trunk same way, fits real nice, no rust or bubbles or issues, lines up beautifully. The tail lights, the bumper, the gas cap, the key lock, all that was replaced when they restored the car. The moldings all around the top opening. There's pictures of the top on our website. It's a black convertible top. It's new. The plastic windows crystal clear. All new rubber seals. I'll tell my guys to order the matching boot. But if you buy the car, make sure you check with your salesman. Sometimes I forget to relay the message to the back. They're always saying, Jay, you promised what? But we'll put a boot on there. The wheels are like the GT style wheels, but they're billet 17-inch with some nice low profile tires. New door handle, correct antenna, new windshields crystal clear, new emblems, the 289 with the V. Front bumper's like a 9 out of 10, looking really sharp. The grill's nice, clean. Bezels are new. So a really, really sharp looking car. New mirror. Let's open it up. We'll go through the inside in the motor compartment. All right, let's open up the trunk compartment. So under the trunk lid, painted nice and tidy. It's got clean bolts and new weather strip. The jamb is painted real slick. Inside is all solid. It has a nice fitting mat. The well liner looks like it's new. Stunning color. I hope it looks good on your screen as it does here. Out in the daylights where it really pops. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. So they painted everything. The jambs are painted. The metal on the inside of the doors are painted. The weather strips are replaced. Door panels, armrests, handles, window cranks, those are new. So all the metal up under the dash is painted. Looks like the knobs, there's a power top switch. Knobs and bezels all redone, new wood grain, new dash pad. Then we got a retro stereo. Fits right in the factory hole, says Mustang right on it. Glove box door is probably new. Glove box liner. Kick panels, carpet, all that's excellent shape. The shifter and the bezel's new. They put seat belts in front and back, so you can take the whole family to enjoy it. The seats, nice and firm. New cushions, new upholstery. Same thing in back. Reupholstered, the armrests are recovered, the metal is painted. It does have some small holes drilled into it, just a few of them. They must have had snaps for maybe a tonneau cover or something at one time. And then we got the steering wheel. That's the deluxe steering wheel reproduction. That's real sharp looking. And then the mirror and visors probably been replaced as well. All right, let's go check out the motor compartment. Yeah, visit our website, check out our YouTube channel. We really post some really cool stuff. Nice looking motor compartment. You're going to open this for anyone that asks, or go to the car shows or cruise nights. You'll have the hood open. It's beautiful. 1,000 miles on the 289 motor. It does have an Edelbrock intake. It is a 4-barrel Edelbrock carb with an electric choke. Dressed up nice with the Ford finned valve covers and the high-performance open element chrome air cleaner. All the components, everything's nice. Look at the engine bay, how nice it is. New nuts and bolts, all painted, real sharp. The battery properly secured. The relay looks new. The alternator looks new. Upgraded with an aluminum radiator, custom shroud, overflow bottle. Upgraded with the newer ignition system, Borgeson power steering, and it has a Willwood master cylinder. And even the bottom side of the hood's painted slick. All right, let's check out the undercarriage. So underneath the car is really nice as well. The structure, most important part, is great. The torque boxes, frame rails, floors are all nice and clean. Have a thin coat of like a chip guard paint. The front end, oh, that shuts nice. The front end's all rebuilt. Steering, suspension, it all looks fresh and new. Willwood disc brakes up front as a nice upgrade. Nice dual exhaust, professionally installed. Has the crossover pipe, stock style mufflers plus resonators, and nice turn down tips. Everything is tucked up. Nice job on that. The fuel tank sending unit, that was replaced. You look up at the motor and trans, they still look brand new. Remember, there's 1,000 miles on both of them. It's a C4 automatic. Drive shaft was rebuilt. So just a nice, clean undercarriage. Pictures are on our website. Also, you can go on our website to contact our salesman. They'll answer whatever questions you still have, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.